I have been invited to do my story time at some amazing places. At the beautiful chapel in Brompton, at the Hidden River Festival, at the Barbican Centre, and workshops with the Polka Children's Theatre. And sometimes I do story time at the markets. Now this can be tricky because it does mean I have to do my workshop with the children and then run back and run my stall and then run back and do the workshop with the children and then run back and do my stall. So it can get very, very hectic, but it's really good fun. In my last video of the series, I'm going to tell you about my award. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss my last video in the series, and I'll see you soon. Bye!